understand the language of the chat, if you want the chat to speak to you, if you want that tips to keep winning, you're welcome to the right channel. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Danilo, aka the Blue Way Angel, and today I'm going to share one of my favorite setup with you. And you always know I give you the live signals and I give you the calls. So I promise you guys that I'm going to share a setup of the NZDCAD with you guys today. Though we have NFP coming up soon, but I'm going to share this setup with you because I trust in my analysis. So much. So now let's ride on straight. So I came to the daily time frame 4 to 4 and I saw this move, and this move I anticipate this move to give is going to give us like 200 pips, like a good 200 pips. So let's try this straight. So I saw the highs and the lows, and year over year and the little time frame we have the equal highs. We have the equal highs here, so I'm going to show that to you. I want this one to be very quick. Just follow me right up. Equal highs at this point. The market has taken out the equal highs and it's a down path already. So market broke structure at this point. So we are in a uptrend from the large daily time frame. So let's switch down to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what we have. And below here we have the equal lows. Around this region we have the equal lows here. Let me stick that out because it's a significant point that we are going to make reference to later. And okay, let me stick that out. Equal lows. That's it. We have our equal lows here, and if you watch very well, price came down and took out the equal lows at this point. So when it came down, took out the equal lows at this point, it pulled up back, but something occurred within this region which I'm going to show you in the 4 hours time frame. And let's move to the smaller time frame and see what the market is saying. Let's see this out. So from the first time frame, you can see at this point we have a break of structure at this point. Price broke structure here and it gave us a equal highs at the lower time frame. So I'm expecting anticipated price. Remember, when I drop the setup, price would see at this region, and I drop the setup with you guys that it's going to fall down to this part. Those of you that have been following me for long, you should by now, I think every one of you should be in good profit now, and from hours from now we are going to be expecting NFP to play out. So I'm going to drop this thing quick and send it out to you guys so you guys can join me on the setup, and we have a proper risk to reward management at this point, and we are entering the market. This is my entering. Actually, I was in the markets this early hours of the morning, and I took my entry at the point of 0.85800, and I'm targeting the big figure of 0.87726. that should be my take profit to give me a good risk to reward management. So price returned to the order block, and there was a sharp rejection here. At this point there was a sharp rejection. There was a sharp rejection here. Rejection here was too clear, so I'm taking the setup. It's a short setup, and I'm taking the setup. I'm going to ride it all through to this point. So you're welcome, guys. Welcome once again. And those of you that have been following me for long, I think we all have been in profit, and you've been following my analysis and my signals. You know, I call them live before you, so don't forget to click on the subscribe and click on the notification button, so that when I drop the setup, when they are still valid, you can still be around to cash them up. So we have currently now the price has created an imbalance at this point, so market will likely fill up this balance. So when price moves to this point, we take partial profit and I think it's going to consolidate here a bit, but it's going to break out through this place and target the equal highs here. Maybe price can pull through to this point before taking another trade. So, oh guys, that's all we have for now, and I'm going to share I'm going to share other setup with you guys. So thank you very much. Remember to subscribe and put on your notification.